Hi, this is Chuck Hughes. I wanted to take this opportunity to talk about market capitalization as an investment strategy. Now, I've been investing in microcap stocks over the last 17 years. And of course, microcap stocks are very small companies, and I've done extensive research on comparing investment returns to market capitalization weighting. And what I found is that microcap stocks, which are the smallest capitalization stocks in the capitalization universe, microcap stocks consistently outperform small cap stocks, and small cap stocks consistently outperform mid cap stocks, etc. And I'm displaying a table that compares the investment returns for various market capitalization weightings. And to give you an idea of how profitable microcap stock investing is, a $1,000 investment in microcap stocks has produced more than $11 million in profits over the past 70 years. So simply owning microcap stocks is a great strategy, and it delivers superior returns compared to other types of investing. And we'll take a look at these comparisons here shortly. Now, to give you an idea of the return potential for microcap stocks, I compared the growth of a $1,000 investment in microcap stocks to the S&P 500 index, home prices, corporate bonds, treasury notes, gold, and treasury bills. And what I discovered was microcap stocks consistently outperformed all other investments over the past 70 years. And the returns for home prices, corporate bonds, treasury notes, gold, and treasury bills was really insignificant compared to the returns for stocks, and in particular microcap stocks. Now, this table shows that microcap stocks outperformed the S&P 500 index by a 9-to-1 ratio, outperformed home prices 184-to-1, and outperformed gold 374-to-1. So this type of outperformance leads me to believe that most investors should include microcap investing as part of their investment portfolio. Now, more recently, microcap stocks have continued to outperform larger cap stocks. Over the past decade, from January 1st of 2000 through January 1st of 2010, the Dow Jones Industrial, the S&P 500 index, and the NASDAQ actually produced a negative return, resulting in the lost decade for stock investors. But over that same 10-year period, microcap stocks produced a 179% profit, demonstrating again the consistent outperformance of microcap stocks compared to virtually any other investment. Now, I know this has been a difficult year for most investors with the increased market volatility and the uncertain economy. For most of the year, there's been no clear trend for most markets. But despite this economic uncertainty, there are small companies out there with phenomenal earnings growth, and I like to focus on these companies. I make trade recommendations for small companies in my microcap advisory service, and I'm displaying the current open trade profits for the advisory, and we currently have over $283,000 in open trade profits, an average return of 141% with no losing trades. So these companies demonstrate that it is possible to produce great returns in a very difficult market. Now, if you're interested in learning more about the strategies I've been using this year that are working well in the current market environment, I invite you to order my investment opportunity of a lifetime investing kit, which is $49. And I put together a kit which includes the microcap profit alert report. And in this report, I include my research on microcap stocks. Also included is my Extra Money Made Easy report. And in this report, I explain a little known but simple strategy for generating cash income from selling option premium. And using this strategy, I've generated over $5.7 million in actual cash income over the past 3 years. And this is a great strategy for the current market environment. And this strategy incurs less risk than owning stocks. Also included is my report, How to Trade with Consistent Wins. And in this report, you'll learn simple techniques that can help you trade with better accuracy. And in this report, I show over $2.5 million in actual profits using this strategy. And I had 94% winning trades. And lastly, included is the Wealth Building Formula book and Let's Get Started DVD. Now, in my Wealth Building Formula book, you'll learn a simple but effective method for identifying stocks with the greatest profit potential. Now, if you'd like to order the investing kit, you can call our toll-free number at 888-233-1431, or you can fax your order in to the number listed here, or simply send me an email to the email address listed here. And lastly, I'd like to show you my current and recent actual profit results. I'll be displaying my brokerage account profit loss statements, which show over $1.2 million in actual profits with no losing trades. This is Chuck Hughes. I want to thank you for listening, and I wish you the best in investing success.